Hey, what's going on everybody? It's your boy Frankie here bringing you a brand new video, and today I'm here with Lucretia.
Hello.
And we're gonna be playing the brand new 35th anniversary Super Mario Bros. Game in-game event here on Animal Crossing. So I guess I'm gonna go inside my house now. I have never done the dreaming thing where you go to sleep, do the dream, type in a code, I guess. And they're having this event right now in-game, and I sent the code also to Lucretia so that she can do it at the same time as me. This will be both of our first time doing it. I'm not sure if you can do it more than once, but
I didn't even know this was a thing until you mentioned it to me. Like, I knew you could
I saw them
before,
post,
but I didn't know about this one.
How do I get in my bed? Okay, alright, now I'm laying down. So, should I get some sleep? Which one do I select?
I want to dream.
Oh, I only have I'll just lay down, or yeah, I want to sleep.
I want to sleep.
Oh my gosh, I've never seen this before.
I've done one where this person made their island into a maze, and you had to try to get out of the maze.
Whoa, this is so cool. Who is this?
Her name is Luna.
If I'm not mistaken, you're from Tragic, yes? You must be the famous Frankie. Few dream as pleasantly as those from Tragic. Forgive me, I have yet to introduce myself. My name is Luna. Think of me as a guide to your library of dreams. A dream is but a manifestation of a memory that one holds dear, then chooses to upload to the internet. My role is to ferry travelers between dreams, allowing one such as you to tour the islands of distant strangers. Once within the dream of another, it will be as though you have actually set foot on their island. To share your dream of Tragic with others, tell me I'd like to share a dream. Well, now that we have the introductions out of the way, how may I be of assistance? And then you select I want to dream.
Yes.
Of course. There are a few things I must clarify further before I guide you to the dream. Like many things these days, downloaded connection is required, of course. If you wish to visit a specific dream, a dream address and identity unique to each dream will be needed. If you'd like me to choose a dream for you to visit, you need to only say surprise me. Oh, one other thing. Dreams are very fragile things. To prevent the introduction of glitches, you must go empty-handed. Do not worry, I will happily hold on to your belongings and return them after you wake. Then I shall connect to the internet.
Let me know when you type in the dream address and we can press confirm at the same time.
Okay. It says connecting to the internet. So like we go there with no items at all?
Right, so it's actually pretty funny because Shani did this before I did. And you can go to someone, like you're literally, it looks like you're on someone's island and she was harvesting wood and picking, like getting these like items and stuff. And when you go back to your island, you don't have it because it's just a dream. But she didn't know that. So she thought she was going to have all these things and she ended up not having anything.
That's funny.
I know.
63, 82, 14, 59, 44, 17. Okay, I pressed the plus button.
Oh, no. Oh my god, we should do a maze at the same time and so you can get out faster.
Connecting to the internet. The dream address you provided appears to be for an island called Nintendo. Is that correct? Yes. They couldn't fit Nintendo Island. Everything is now sorted. Please close your eyes and relax. Drift and compile. And emerge within the dream of Nintendo. Oh my gosh. This is kind of hype. I've never done this before, and on my first dream I'm going to Nintendo Island. Apparently they've had events like this in the past where you could go to their island, and then like when they have these events they switch it up. So this is supposed to be like new, never before seen. Like this started today, I think.
Oh.
Yeah, it started. Yeah. Oh, or last night. You are now in a deep slumber, dreaming peacefully on an island named Nintendo. When you wish to awaken from this dream, you need only lie down in the bed. I will take care of the rest. Also, if you have any questions or need advice about dreams, please do not hesitate to ask. With that, may your dream of Nintendo be a sweet one. Okay.
Wait, what's the objective?
It's like kinda... Oh, I don't know. Complete this mission by visiting Island. Check out the updates made to the island commemorating the 35th anniversary of the Super Mario Bros. Game. This in-game event takes place between March 9th through the 24th. Sleep on it on any bed in your home. Enter the dream address below. Users who complete this mission will receive credit within 7 days of the event ending. Nintendo Switch Online membership sold separately and Nintendo account required online feature. So I'm not sure there's anything like specific we have to do. I think we just have to visit. Wait, so where are you? I'm standing in front of my bed right now. This place is massive.
Well, we can't explore.
There's like a big... I know. There's like a big area on the map that says Mario in grass. This is nice.
Oh, I just saw that. I'm on the left. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, the outside of the museum looks so dope. Okay. Let's start. I'm gonna go to the airport and act like I'm walking from the airport.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, your airport's like completely out, like on the beach. Okay, so I'm by the airport. I'm gonna start on the left side of the island. Oh my gosh, this person has a basketball hoop with a basketball on the front of it. I'm gonna visit their home. There's gotta be like a ton to explore in here, honestly. Poncho. Always nice to have a visitor, even if this is a dream. Stick around for a while. I wonder if we get some like exclusive in-game items for doing this. Like probably later on. Oh my gosh, this person looks awesome. Velma? Hello my dear, it's a pleasure to meet you in such a dreamy place. I hope you make some wonderful memories while you're here. More importantly, I hope you're able to remember those memories when you wake up. The goat. Okay, so they have like the festival stuff here.
Ooh, I like their little tent. I want a tent.
House is this one.
You know, I didn't even.
This person has roses all over. What
I
happened?
didn't even think of getting like more floating blocks and like putting them side by side.
Alright, what's with everyone being all blurry and stuff today? This is getting pretty weird. Bro, all these residents look dope.
I don't even see any of the residents.
I've seen... Oh my gosh, what's his name? The one that you sent me a picture of earlier is here. That's on your island.
Sterling is there?
Yeah. Wow, this is really nice. I'm about to open someone's mail. Oh, I can't. Just kidding. They have like a bunch of mermaid-looking stuff outside of their house on the beach.
Oh my gosh, this is so cool.
Whoa. Okay, I'm in their house and it's completely Mario themed.
I took the pipe there. It brought me to inside the house.
Yeah. Okay, so we're both inside the same house, I guess. I'm walking through the room now. See, this is exactly what I wanted to do to my game room in my house.
I see workout.
Oh my gosh, they have protein powder. Yeah, they have protein powder next to their Switch.
You see the gym tank on the wall?
That's so funny. Yeah. This is the, like, this would be for, like, Wii Fit. So this is, like, Wii Fit theme roomed, I guess. Because they have the, it looked like they had Wii Fit characters on the TV there. And this is, like, this little, racing wheel looking thing. Isn't only used for, like, the Mario Kart game. It's used for the fitness stuff that they have on the Nintendo consoles. Wow. This is pretty creative.
What's this mushroom?
Oh my god.
That's not a Mario thing, is it?
Which mushroom thing?
Like the multiple mushrooms.
I don't know, actually.
And they have multiple color. Like my mushroom only comes red. They even have a pink mushroom. I wonder if they're customizable.
Okay, so you see this little gopher here on the block?
Mm-hmm.
He's from past Animal Crossing games, but he's not in this game. It's weird.
Well, look at their log in the back that has mushrooms growing out of it.
Yeah, I saw that too. Alright, I'm walking out. I'm gonna go check somewhere else out. Oh my gosh, they have like a lifeguard stand over here. That's so funny.
Look at all their mermaid stuff.
They have a dog. There's a dog, like a puppy.
Where?
On the, like, alright, if you go outside the house and make a left and you go all the way up, you'll see it. It's like a robot dog or something.
All the way up.
Hi, where'd you come from? I'd say from right out of my dreams. But you don't look much like a sandwich. LOL. Sterling. Yeah, it's Sterling. Whoa, who are you? How many chin-ups can you do? Sorry, you don't have to answer that. I'm working on not being threatened by anyone else's fitness. Yes, sure, bud.
Oh, this person looks like Mario. It's
Punchy.
Nina. Welcome. Oh, they only say welcome.
I was like, I wonder if I run through the flowers, will they break? But they don't. Oh my gosh, is this Nook's? Can you go inside a Nook's cranny? No, they're closed. Dang, they got like all the best items here. Residential service is closed? Yep.
It's like a mission to get to the...
Like all the different spots, yeah, I like it. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. I'm playing a little piano by the water. Okay, I'm on the right side of the island now. Like bottom right. Oh my gosh! They have a bunch of those little bears that you are collecting in different colors. Hey, here's a fresh face. So you're visiting from another island? Tell me the truth. Are you, like, even real?
Oh my gosh, how do I get back? I was in the Mario section. Okay, I think...
Oh my goodness, there's like a giant tulip here. It's massive. Oh my gosh!
What?
When you press A on it, oh my goodness, I forgot her name. Princess Peach's like sister, Daisy, pops up.
That's so cute. I want one.
Ah, I wonder how you get it. I wonder how you get a bunch of this stuff. Rhonda, not home. Oh. Found you. You don't look familiar. You must be visiting from somewhere else. Do you think this island is like a dream? Oh yes, I found the Mario looking character. Nina. Welcome. Oh, Nina for like Nintendo. That's so funny. This is that character's island. Whoa. I want to go to Nina's house. That might have been it, actually. Wow, this is so dope. The way they did the Mario... oh, never mind. I'm not even at that part. I'm like at another completely different part. Oh my gosh, this is so cool.
That must have...
They made like a little labyrinth. They have 10,000 bells just chilling on the ground over here. Oh yeah, it's like a little maze almost.
The Mario is in water.
Yeah, I'm to the... You see the grass area above it? That's where I'm at on the map. There's like a little labyrinth. Like a little maze. Yeah, I see what you're talking about. The Mario is in the water to the left of that. Man, I wish I had my pole vault so I wouldn't have to like go all the way around to use these little bridges.
They made it hard. Oh my god, how do I get over there? I'm trying to get to
Aha, I picked up
maybe
apples.
that's why they made it so hard. Because you're trying to get to Princess Peach. Well, or her dress.
What do you mean?
Her dress up high. With the crown.
Her dress is up high. What do you mean? I don't even know where you're at.
Oh,
Alright, I'm going over to...
this way.
Okay, I'm at the outdoor area.
I'm by the M in Mario.
Oh, that brown square to the left of that, the bigger one, where the campsite is where I'm at.
Oh.
Now there's a playground. I'm at a playground. This is pretty cool, though.
To be honest,
I dig it.
this isn't the best island. Like,
Oh, I mean, I'm sure. I'm just saying...
I thought it was gonna be, like, different.
I think it looks nice.
It does look nice, but I've seen, like, more extravagant thought out island.
They have a random big snapping turtle over there.
Oh, 1 second.
Sterling's house. Oh my gosh, I made it to Princess Peach.
You see what I was talking about, though? Like,
Yeah, the Princess Peach thing, I found it. That's so cool. Nice. I think I saw everything.
we get back to Luna so we can wake up.
Yeah. Yeah, I checked everything out now. Nice. I like this little race car bed they have. Chilling over here. Are you back to Luna or no?
Yeah.
Okay, so we just lay on the bed, right?
Yeah, she'll start talking to you.
That's so cool. I didn't even know you could do this.
Oh my gosh, I forgot. I forget every single time when you wake up how they're laying. It's so funny.
Oh, I don't see anything. I have a black screen still. Oh. That is funny. That's silly. Awesome. So what did you think about the island?
I mean, I've been into Dreamworld before, and like especially like going to other people's islands and like selling turnips and stuff. I think it could be better, in my opinion.
What was your favorite part about the island?
The different color mushrooms.
If you were able to take one thing with you from that island, what would you have
The
taken?
pink mushroom.
The pink
Yeah,
mushroom?
it was a pink small mushroom.
I probably would have taken the daisy or peach thing that you click on and you open it,
yeah,
because I
the
think it would look
tulip.
cool in my little Mario
The
thing.
giant tulip.
Oh yeah, well yeah, that or the daisy, yeah. I mean, or the peach. I liked it. I'm sure they've done other stuff like this in the past.
I wonder if it looks like really different from how it used to. Or, like,
Yeah, I know. I probably have to like look up online where like what they did their islands like in the past. Is your gate open on your island?
No, it's not.
You want to come to mine or can I go to yours? I have to give you an item.
You can come to mine.
Hey, I'm on my way. Oh, hello. Do you like my new shoes? I got them in my video the other
Those
day.
are super cute.
And it matches the suit you got me.
My resident game.
Okay, I got
This.
the halo.
No, the sweater.
I like it. I like both of them.
I got my red jeans.
Here, okay. Oh wait, I can't drop it off here. You guys can't see her island yet, because we're gonna do that in another video, so... Okay, you have to pick those up. And you have to put it on.
I pocket this one.
Oh! Alright, drop something else for it real quick. Okay, wear it.
No.
I want to see what it looks like.
I don't want to have a beard.
We look like hippies. It looks like a hippie beard.
I look like Jesus.
Okay, you could change it. If you don't want it, I'll give it to one of my my residents, because I didn't get an extra. I wanted to see what it looked like on them. Unless you want to keep it, or you want to give it to one of your residents.
You can have this back. This is the one item I will give back to you. No!
What's this? I don't like
I don't
this.
know where I got that from.
I look like a conductor.
I don't even remember if how I got that. It says it's the student pack.
Yeah, I know. That's funny. Alright, this is the only sneak peek you guys get. This nice little... Okay, I can't go that way. Did you get a new resident?
No.
That person up there? I've
No,
never seen
clothing
them.
item.
Oh.
But only
Oh, I've
a
never
few.
had them on
I
my
don't really
island.
know. I need to Google what his purpose is because
Can I buy something from him real quick?
you can, but he doesn't even have like a lot of items.
Welcome, chum. LOL. What? He has some dope items. Okay, I'm buying the wings.
Oh yeah, I forgot I bought some. Where are my wings at?
I kind of want to get matching ones for all my residents again. They're cheap.
My hair is covering them.
I wonder if I could wear them with my suit.
Probably. You can
I should
wear them
be
as
able
long
to.
as you don't have a backpack on already.
Oh, you're right.
You can't see them because of my hair.
Okay. Do you want to go to my island, or
Okay.
you have stuff to do on this island?
Okay.
Okay. He's running around. I love when they run around with like their
I
arms all
know,
out, like they look like
Naruto.
they're. Yes, exactly. The other day, Quilson and Benedict were doing it together,
Benedict
like in
does
unison.
that
It was
all
it was so funny.
How do you
Like they were just running in unison in front of residential services.
have you seen the villagers playing with light sticks?
No. Oh my gosh, that
They
sounds
play together
hilarious.
in resident services. That's
I'm over here. Oh my gosh.
my pockets are full.
Ah, you have no space in your pockets. Ah! Alright, I need to go find Bam. Where is he? I saw him
Oh, he left me.
running like a ninja
Hello.
over here. He was just here, bro. What? Where did you go? Oh my gosh, maybe Quilson? Should I give Quilson the wings? He's so nerdy looking, I love it.
Can you get rid of all these trees in front of your house? They can't see anything.
That's the point. We need to be hidden. Oh! No, I'm not supposed to show them that
Oh.
area yet. I haven't showed them that.
Where does the pipe take you?
To Nook's Granny. We can go there. Doo, doo, doo. Dang, you're already inside? Okay then.
I'm fast. Ooh, I love that. You got.
I think I got one.
I know you have one of these for free. Let me see how much it is.
Wait, if I'm buying this thing, am I buying the banner or am I buying the
The
rack?
banner.
Oh, okay. Wait, I can't buy something at the same time as you? There's this jewelry set thing you might want.
I
don't know if you
have
want
one of
that.
those. already.
I want the banner. How much is it? $6.50. Wow.
Oh my gosh, I have that. too.
And then I'm getting this chess. Game of chess for my game room. Oh my goodness! That's what?
How much is it?
95,000 bells. Holy cow. Do you want this marimba?
No, and plus I don't have any space in my storage.
I need to go get more money. This sucks. That's so expensive. I hate when I walk in the Nook, like in the little shop, and they're like, "Oh, what's going on?" Blah blah, and I look at them just like, "Shut up! You're just here to take all my money." Oh my gosh, what is this green suit over here?
I think it's like a bear costume.
That'll match the ears that I got. And then I need to buy this suit, Kate. This suit right here. And the hat for St. Patrick's Day. It's on Saturday.
I'm so upset. I don't have it
Why?
in my pockets. Ugh. Oh my goodness. I need...
Just drop it and then you can come pick it up another time. I'll put it in my room, in my house. Why, was there something here you wanted? Just, I'll buy it and then I'll give it to you later.
It's okay, I'm dropping items on your island.
Frog costume. I guess I'll buy the monocle. Or reflector.
I want the Kung Fu tee in yellow and navy blue. The hat with that actually goes good together.
I'm all greened out. I got my shoes, my wings. Oh my god, this is hilarious. I want to see what it looks like with the frog costume.
I hate that I have to go back into the fitting room to purchase the other color.
Look at the frog costume.
Oh, wait, I'm coming. Oh, it's a frog costume?
It's so ugly. I like this better. Oh wow, that is nice.
Right? And I got it in.
Wait, where'd you get that from?
You have to go inside the fitting room.
There's extra stuff in there?
Yes, there's a whole bunch of stuff in there.
I did not know
He
that.
gave you a tour of it in your video.
I skipped through it, really. Whoa! Oh my gosh! Okay, I could've got a different color of the suit. Bruh. Oh, I would've got the green one. Can I sell this?
Yeah, you
Ah.
don't get back the amount you paid for it.
That sucks. Oh my gosh, they have an actual Shamrock suit. This is awesome, guys. I had no idea that you can buy all this stuff. And I should have went in the fitting room during the last video. This is hilarious. Oh my goodness, the way I'm posed.
I'm back.
Awesome. Oh no, what happened to my clothes? She said she was gonna ship it to me?
Yeah.
Oh man, I changed something that I was wearing.
What I did is I got a wardrobe.
Does it go directly to my
It
mailbox?
goes to your storage, yeah, directly into your inventory. But what
Okay.
I did was I put one of my nice wooden wardrobes outside the Able sisters, so that I could change.
Where?
Like if I accidentally wore the.
Oh, this is Poppy, by the way. Talk to her. Who the heck is this guy?
The weeds.
Oh, that's the fishing one.
The weeds are ridiculous.
She likes them. I think it's funny when my residents ask about you. Alright, I need to go put my new suit on. I am so ready for St. Patrick's Day now.
My game keeps freezing. That's so weird. I've never done this before.
I gotta give Quilson some. Here, you wanna see him with the wings on?
I am plucking your weeds because you're not.
Okay, well, come real quick so you can see.
I don't even know where you're at.
You press, go into the Mario pipe. I'm at my house.
Oh. much better. See, Poppy, I think is that Poppy?
Yeah, it's Poppy's name. Poppy. Alright, ready? That's ridiculous. I don't want to be rude, but this is awesome. See, I wasn't rude. Oh, put them on!
So I know villagers tend to wear, like, if you give them a shirt or a dress,
Oh,
right?
this sucks.
They won't wear pants, they won't wear shoes.
Why didn't you tell me that ahead of
Because I
time?
didn't know if it was gonna work or not. Because like if I give some of my residents like hats or barrettes for their hair, they'll wear them. So I thought he would wear the wings.
Wait, do the thing. Oh my god, I look awesome. I'm so swagged out.
Hey, Bam! Bam!
Where is he?
Bam!
Oh, he's hiding.
He's not hiding, you just have too many trees. Oh, I'm shaking.
You think if I give him the wings, he'll wear it?
No, I don't think so. Oh, let me...
Dang, what a waste.
I dropped the turnip that I had.
Maybe if I give him the beard, he'll wear it. A rounded beard? That's really cool. Wear it! Ugh! This sucks. Oh well. Do you need any turnips? Are you gonna take any?
No.
You can take some. I look like the turnip king in this outfit. I don't know why, but I feel like money.
Feel like money. You need to clear your weeds because your island rating won't increase.
Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like, comment, rate, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.